Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start with Word open and signed in so your settings sync. Once done, go straight to File. On Windows, choose Account or Options. On Mac, use Preferences. You want the area labeled Personalize your copy of Microsoft Office or Office theme. Make sure you can see the Office theme drop-down. This controls the user interface color, not the document styling. Now that you're in the right place, you're ready to pick an alternative to the default white theme. Next, choose the theme you want from the Office theme drop-down. Options typically include white, colorful, dark gray, and black. You should pick one and click OK or Apply so Word saves the change. Make sure to watch the window Chrome and ribbon as it updates. That's visual confirmation it worked. If the interface doesn't refresh right away, close and reopen Word. Occasionally, a restart is needed for the new theme to load across all windows and toolbars. Finally, if your document still looks white but the UI changed, go to Design Page Color to alter the page background. That affects only the document. Make sure auto updates are enabled so Office has the latest theme support. If the theme choice disappears or reverts, sign out and sign back into your Microsoft account or update Office. As a last resort, run quick repair from programs and features. That fixes corrupted settings that can.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.